galingan? Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang hilawan dyan? Marami pong salamat. Celebrating the 126 years of an annual Independence Day here our country, I am very proud to wear this modern Filipiniana costume, which is significant to give the pride and honor to our Philippine national costume. With a glamorous and spectacular evening to each and everyone, or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. A girl is standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent, just only 21 years old this summer, and I am very proud and humble because I am your recently queen. It's showtime. Miss Q&A Season 3, Queen of the Multibex, first runner-up. My name is Miss Karen Montesilio, and I am truly all the way with the place that you can experience just like a silver lining. Yes, I am all the way from Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a beauty pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. I am the only girl who captured the heart of Mr. Ronnie Alonte. Opo, tama po kayong lahat. Ako po si Amy. At minsan si Baby. Sa Pira-Pirasong Paraiso. Bakit hindi nyo po sabay-sabay subukang palakpakan at hiyaway ang nag-iisang kawangis ni Binibining Loisa Andalio. And I always believe, si Biz, Amar, Amor. If you want to be loved, learn how to love. And if you want to be respected, learn how to respect. Judges, I am your candidate number 1. Mark my number because I will give you the best show and a night to remember. Thank you.
Ako po'y isang manikang hindi bisusi, kundi kusang gumagalaw. Nakatawang tao sa katawan ni Eva, at si Evang nakatawang si Adan. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ayesa Marceliano Gonzalez. But tonight, ang babaeng vlogger sa TikTok, ang babaeng may dala ng green na picture, ang nagsasabi, hello mga mare! Shot! Shot! Hello! Ako po, si Binibining Jean Bilog. Jean Bilog na nag-iiwan ng katagang. Sa mga kalalakihan, huwag na po kayong mambabae. Mamakla na lang po kayo. Ako na lang ang mahalin mo. Pag ako ang ginawa mo, bukas, pagising mo, may 5,000 ka na, may cellphone ka pa. Pag pinakilala mo ko sa nanay at tatay mo, meron kayong 1 year supply ng bigas. Yan. Pag pinakilala mo ko sa barkada mo, lahat kayo, may jersey na, may rubber shoes pa. At pag pinangalandakan mo ko dito sa San Antonio, ito ang totoo. Bukas, partner na kita sa salon ko sa Frisco, Quezon City. Ngayong araw nito, pinagdiriwang natin at sa daang mahigit na kalayaan dito sa ating Pilipinas. Ang aking costume, simple lamang po. Dahil hindi ko po kayang magbitbit ng bahay kubo. Nakaangkas lang ako. Thank you.
And
nagmula pa po sa bayan ng mga matatapang na minsang naniwala na ang pagiging baklay kailanman di naging masama sa mata ng madla at lalong-lalo na sa mata ng lumikha. Lima na lamang po kung kami mismo mga bakla ang gagawa ng aming sariling ikasasama. Kaya naman ngayong gabi mga kaibigan, hurado at manunood, wala po kayo maririnig na kahit anumang kabastusan dahil ang tanging hangad ko lamang ay ang inyong masigabong palakpakan. Maraming salamat po. My name is Miss Cass Benito, a 25-year-old stunner who hails all the way from Quezon City. And I may not be your famous contessera. Some of you might have seen me for the first time, but I am a proud graduate of Business Administration, major in Financial Management at the University of the East, and currently working as sales admin at Booth & Partners. But tonight, since this is a pageant, allow me to borrow the name of one of the beautiful faces in Philippine pageantry. Ako ako nga po, your Miss Universe Philippines 2013 third runner-up, your one and only, Binibining Ariela Arida. Ariela Arida, na nag-iwan po ng isang paalala that in life, people are fighting a battle we know nothing about. So if given a chance to pick a choice, always choose to be kind. Magandang gabi po.
once again, ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 3.
Maayong gabi kaninyo nga tonight, or should I say, good evening ladies and gentlemen. Standing here before you is Scarlett Galacio Gonzaga, all the way from the renowned City of Smile, the renowned Mascara Festival, all the way from Bacolod City. And tonight, allow me, distinguished by the name, ang nag-iisang babae na bumihag sa puso ng nag-iisang Billy Crawford. Opo, ako nga po. Opo, ako nga po. Opo, ako nga po ang nag-iisang Colleen Garcia. Colleen Garcia ba? Perfect. At bago ko po lisanin ng apat na sulok ng tabladong ito, nais ko lang po mag-iwan ng isang kasabihan sa ganitong uri patimpalak, tsak, na may bakulan niyang tatatak. Maraming salamat po.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, that is candidate number 4, Scarlett Gonzaga, also known as Colleen Garcia.
Magandang gabi. Trust in the Lord with your whole heart and do not depend
on your own understanding. Buenas noches, amigos sis, amigas, compañeros, you, compañeras. The girl who's naked in your eyes, say fresh, and indeed innocent 21 years old stunner, hailing truly all the way last from the biggest and the largest barangay nowadays, Barangay 176, North Caloocan City. My real name in real life is Daniel Del Monte, currently taking a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management at Besling College of the Philippines, and the one and only owner of Diddy's Gowns and Costumes Rental. But since this is a pageant, distinguished panel board of judges, and to the audience for tonight's competition, let me stand by the name of your one and only ENT, Tawag ng Tanghalan Champion 2018. Opo, ako nga po ang nag-iisang Jenny. Jenny Birdie.
Jenny nga! Jenny nga!
By the way, this national costume that I'm wearing for tonight represents our very own local farmers for their good harvest from the city of Mindanao, the Kanayawan Festival of the Philippines, Davao City. Daghang salamat po.
Wala po ba palakpakan dyan? Wala po bang hiyawan dyan? Wala po bang pagkain dyan?
Meron! Wala kang butler!
Joke lamang po. Many has been part of history, but only few can bend history itself. On this night of spectacle and this public display, we transgenders bend history, and that will forever be our story. Maya Bodani po kaya kayong honor today say, a pleasant evening to each and everyone. To the honorable panel of judges, now, sir, and to everyone who is watching, magandang gabi po. Standing before you is a fresh and innocent. I'm a 25-year-old stunner and I hail all the way from Panisitan, Love. I am a graduate with a bachelor's degree in secondary education and a licensed teacher. This is... My name is Miss Yengla Victoria, but tonight's affair, please, do allow me as I stand by the name. Bakit di po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang pumukaw sa inyong mga puso, ang nagpatibok sa bawat puso ng Pilipino, Miss Liza Soberano. Maraming salamat po. And Miss Liza Soberano, nag-iwan po sa inyo isang kataga that no amount of riches can definitely buy the freedom of the Filipino people. So as we celebrate 126 years of independence, I am proud to say that I am wearing this modern Filipiniana, one of the festivities of the Philippines, the Sinulog Festival of Metro Cebu. Viva Pig Senor. Thank you so much.
And that has been number 6 is Yengla Victoria, also known as Miss Liza Soberano.
Panglakaw! Uy, palakpakan naman! Ang layo nito! Traveling almost 5 hours, where I presently reside at Cabanatuan City, province of Nueva Ecija. But then again, I'd like to say, maupay na gabi, haiyong atanan,
or should I say a pleasant evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Matrika May Matmat Centino, an AB Mass Communication graduate from the Leyte Normal University. Where being a transgender woman in this society is not to diminish our humanity. Our only purpose in living is to love and to be loved, to contribute and be prosperous. Originally and proudly representing from the Wari-Wari community of Leyte and Samar, Philippines, distinguished panel of the Board of Judges, Ma'am, Sir, hi, Direk. Good evening to everyone. And to all the audience tonight, I'm standing by the name of your one and only sexy vlogger, controversial actress in their generation. Nagtatanong, meron ba kayong lemon? Meron ba kayong lemon? Gusto ko ng? Gusto ko ng? I am your mommy only, Tony Polar. Laging nagpapaalala, ang tunay na reyna, kahit kabuwanan niya, rumarampataan. Kidding aside, malaki, mataba, payat, bata, or matanda, wala pong silbi talaga ang iyong pagiging maganda o gwapo kung hindi ka man lang nakapagpangiti ng madla. Kaya let's just enjoy the night. Pinili namin ang lugar na to kahit 3 po ang contest ngayong gabi. Isa pang hiyawan! Palakpakan! Happy Fiesta! And of course, as a devotee of St. Anthony de Padua, may all of you all your life be blessed every day, especially to your family. From the bottom of my heart, God bless everyone, and I love you all. And I love you all. And I love you all. More than being grateful and saying thank you, and I love you all. Thank you.
Paano naman po ako gaganahan kung wala akong naririnig na nagpapalakpakan? Paano naman po ako gigiliwan kung wala akong naririnig na naghihiyawan? Malaman man ako sa inyong paningin, tiyak, titikman pa rin. Because chubby is the new sexy. A glorious evening to each and everyone. My name is Aya Garcia, a 24 years old sonner, all the way from the gentle people of Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental. I'm a product endorser and a proud Viva Max artist who believes that the best thing to be accepted is to be yourself. And I am your Super Serena, Queen of the Wind in Eid Bulaga Channel 7. And for tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name of one of the most prettiest faces ABS-CBN has ever produced. Ako po, ang babaeng bawal hawakan. Baka hindi mo nang mabitawan. Ang babaeng bawal titigan. Baka inyong hanap-hanapin. Inosente sa paningin, pero malahayop ang dating. Ako po ang bagong pantasya ng bayan at pumukaw sa natutulog na puso ni Mr. Kyle Echari, your one and only Miss Andrea Brillantes. Andrea Brillantes po na nag-iiwan ng mga kasabihang aanhin mo pa ang granada o kahit anong bomba. Kung sa akin pa lang, boom! Sabog ka na. At bago ko po lisanin ang 4 na sulok ng itabladong ito, hayaan niyong iwan ko kayo ng isang pick-up line. Nag-review ka na ba? Nag-review ka na ba? Kasi mamaya, sasagutin na kita. Maraming salamat po.
Sa nilapit-lapit lamang po ng barangay Pasong Tabo, ang dami rin palang magaganda at guwapo dito sa barangay San Antonio. Tama po ba o mali? Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan, or mas should I say good evening to each and everyone. My name is Rian Orain, a 26 years old student and a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management. A former flight attendant at Cebu Pacific, and now proudly saying, a business ground owner of R&R Perfume and Daniel Apparel. But tonight, this is a pageant. Please do allow me to capture the image and handle the beauty. Wait lamang po, ang baba ng mic. Please do allow me to capture the image and handle the beauty. Muli, the one and only Rian Ramos ng buhay nyo. Rian Ramos po na nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihan para sa lahat ng mga kalalakihang naririto. Imbis po na mambabae kayo, mamakla na lamang po kayo. Sa babae, liligawan mo, gagastos ka. Tama o mali? Magkakaanak kayo, pag-aaralin mo, Diyos ko, gagastos ka na naman. Tama pa rin ba yan o mali? Pero pag sa bakla, hihiga ka lamang po, ipipikit ang iyong mga mata, iuunad ang iyong mga paa. Pagising mo, hindi lang 2.5 sa akin, may 5,000 ka pa, at naka-iPhone 15 Pro Max ka pa. Heb, 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 may NMAX pa, and there's more. May SSS, PhilHealth, at pag-ibig pa, ang pamilya mo. Anong inaantay mo? Tumato ka na sa bahay ko. Tama ba o mali? Muli, the last candidate number 9, Rian Orain.